Good afternoon. We're going to do a quick tutorial on how to enroll at the X-Station 2 proximity. You just zoom in for me, Josh. So what you need to do is navigate to the top left of the screen by clicking the 4 squares. It then will ask you to input an ID. On my example, my ID is 1 and my password is 1234. If you're unsure of your ID, you need to speak to your timeware administrator and then they can give you the details. You then have to press OK at the top, and that gets you into the settings. You then click on the user screen, and then if you've got a large number of people in the reader, you can use the search feature to find the person. If not, on my example, we're going to enroll a card against Mike Coop. You click the card option here, and then you do the plus. And then simply you hold the card next to the device and it enrolls it. So I've got 3 cards set up on the unit. You then click the back button, which is at the top left, and then you press OK to save the record away. And that's how you enroll at the X-Station 2 Prox.